Listen to part of a conversation between a student and a professor.
Professor Greene, do you have a minute?
Hello Sam. I have about 20 minutes before I start my lecture, so you'll have to make it brief. Or, you can come back later, since I'll be around my office this afternoon.
Actually, that's okay, Professor. I don't think I will take that long.
Alright then, have a seat.
Thanks, Professor.
So, do you have a question about something?
Well, I wanted to talk about the writing assignment that you've given us the other day in class. I didn't quite understand what you wanted us to do. You said you wanted us to analyze the speech in the article, from our weekly reading list, but does that mean we should jot down notes for our class discussion, or write it up in a paper?
Well, your end goal for this course is to write a 2,000-word concise research paper. I was expecting by next week, you could choose your topic, and brainstorm your ideas for your chosen topic.
So, you're saying we should brainstorm, and write down our ideas?
Yes. The point of brainstorming is that all your ideas are on paper. Now, many students think everything they write has to be good, but that is not true at this stage. You should just write whatever comes into your mind on the topic. This means you need to switch off the editor mode in your head.
Are you saying there are no bad or good ideas in brainstorming?
That's what I am saying. You can always select the good ones afterward, not before.
Okay, thanks so much for your help, Professor.
Question 5. Listen again to part of the conversation. Then answer the question. What does the student mean when she says this?
Actually, that's okay, Professor. I don't think I will take that long.
Question 6. Listen again to part of the conversation. Then answer the question. What does the professor mean when he says this?
Now, many students think everything they write has to be good, but that is not true at this stage.